Mixing aluminum and copper bus conductors presents several risks and concerns. Firstly, electrochemical corrosion can occur because aluminum and copper have different electrochemical properties, making them prone to galvanic corrosion when they are in direct contact. This can lead to increased resistance and reduced current carrying capacity over time. Secondly, dissimilar metal thermal expansion exists since aluminum and copper have different coefficients of thermal expansion. When the temperature changes, the two metals expand and contract at different rates, which can cause stress on the connection points and potentially create gaps. Thirdly, reduced conductivity becomes a problem as aluminum has a lower conductivity than copper, meaning a longer section of aluminum bus is required to carry the same current as a shorter section of copper bus. When working with bus conductors, it is best to avoid mixing aluminum and copper bus conductors whenever possible. If mixing is unavoidable, use transition fittings or barriers made of a compatible metal such as tin-plated copper or aluminum. These fittings create a physical separation between the two metals and prevent direct contact. It is important to ensure proper bonding and grounding. Use mechanical or welded connections to ensure a good electrical bond between the bus sections and the enclosure. Install inspection ports or access panels. These allow for periodic monitoring of the connection points for any signs of corrosion or damage. Installing a copper bus section between aluminum sections without proper precautions is not advisable. Consider these options. Firstly, return the copper bus section and order an aluminum replacement. Secondly, have the copper bus section plated with tin or another compatible metal to prevent direct contact with the aluminum. Thirdly, install a transition fitting or barrier between the copper and aluminum sections. Consult with a qualified electrical engineer for further guidance and design recommendations. The safety and reliability of your electrical system is paramount. Always prioritize best practices and take precautions to minimize potential hazards.